make R as a subject first, okay? The continuation with previous section. So, first of all, let's bring R is located in right hand side, no? So you should bring it as a left hand side value. Okay, I'll write that over here. So C into 1 plus R upon 100, which is equals to P. Okay, which is equals to P. So then after, just think about it, we have to make R as our subject. For that, here the R divided by 100 added with 1. Then after, the total function multiplied by C equals to P. Now, let's bring this C as a division first. So 1 plus R upon 100, that one should be equals to P divided by C. Okay, P divided by C. Not subtraction, it should be a division. Then after, what is the direction for 1? This one, okay? Don't think about this positive. That positive direction belongs to this R, okay? Not belongs to 1. So you should keep R divided by 100 as it is. Okay, that will remain as it is. Let's bring the positive one as a negative one to another side. So P upon C minus 1. Okay, minus 1. From this P upon C, you should subtract 1. Then after, R divided by 100. No. So let's write the R as it is. The division 100, that will become a multiplication. The divided 100, that will become a multiplicand. So 100 times to all these values. So let's make it as a bracket values. P upon C minus 1. This is the way you should write your answer. I'll repeat once more what we did here. C into 1 plus R divided by 100, which is equals to P. So we made the multiplication as a division first. Then there is an addition. The positive one became negative one. Then the dividend 100, that became a multiplicand 100. That's all. So here we found R as a subject. Okay, then you should substitute P and C values. So let's substitute them over here. R is equals to 100. Okay, 100. P is 495 divided by 450 minus 1. Okay, minus 1. This is a fractional question. Okay, this is just a fractional question. So 100. Then after, we have to subtract this. Okay, I'll do the subtraction process over here. Okay, because we don't have enough space here now. So I'll write the subtraction process over here. It has the denominator as 450. It does not have any denominator. So we can express it as 450. Over that we have 495 subtracted by another 450 upon 450. Okay, 450 upon 450. 1 means that should be a full fraction. It does not have any denominators. That's why I multiplied these fractions, the denominator and numerator, by using number 450 to make it the denominator to become common as 450. Then after subtraction, you will receive your answer as, okay, the denominators are same, no? So we can write the denominator as 450. In numerator, you have 495 minus 450. 495 minus 450, that would be 45. 495 minus 450, that will become 45. Then let's simplify 450 and wait. This 0 and this 0 can be simplified. Then after, in denominator also we have 45, numerator also 45. So 45 divided by 45, 1 time, 1 time. So finally, our answer would be 10 multiplied by 1. It is 10. That's your answer. Okay. I'll repeat once more what we did here. After, make it as a subject. Okay. Then after, I substituted P and C values. That is a fraction. In the fraction, I have substituted the relevant values. 495 upon 450 minus 1. So in fraction, when we need to subtract any value, you should convert the given integral value as also a fraction. So the one its denominator 450. Likewise, here also I made the 1 as 450 upon 450. Then after, from 495, when you subtract 450, that will give you 45 divided by 450. I simplified this 0 and this 0. So 10 is your final answer. First of all, we have to y as a subject. Okay, in that case, okay, this is the function with y. Okay, let's remove other participants from this side. Okay, you cannot take a as a multiplicand here because this is the participant you are going to subject. No, so y is the thing we are going to subject over here. Okay, let's keep the positive y upon b as it is. From 1, the direction of x upon a, that would be positive, no? So we have to bring it as a subtraction first. You should bring it as a subtraction first. Then y is equals to y is divided by b. So in oppose that, you should make it as a multiplication. So b, okay, b will become a multiplicand for this whole function. Not only for this one, okay, for the total whole function. Here you can see what I did. I made, okay, I just kept y upon b as it is. Then positive x upon a, that became negative x upon a to another side. Then after y upon b, okay, this b is a dividend, no? So you should bring it as a multiplicand to another side. That's how I made y as a subject. Then after, let's substitute the given values to get a y value. So y would be equals to b is negative 2, 1 minus, here we have x is 25, a is 5. Okay, a is 5. So negative 2, 1. When you simplify this, okay, here we can simplify in this denominator and this numerator. So 5 and 25 can be simplified. 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So 1 minus 5. It would be 1 minus 5. Not like as our previous question. There is a small difference in this question. In your previous question, we had 495 upon 450. In that case, we cannot simplify that furthermore. But in here, we have 25 upon 5. We can simplify 25 by using 5. That will give you number 5. So then after negative 2, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5 will negative 4. Okay, that will become negative 4. Minus into minus plus. Okay, minus into minus plus. 4 2s are 8. That should be your answer in this case. What we did here, this is not like as our previous question. Try to understand the difference. Okay, here 25 and 5 can be simplified. 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Then 1 minus 5, that will become negative 4. Negative 2 into negative 4, negative into negative positive, 4 2s are 8.